fucking love you. Yeah, spread that shit. Beauty and simplicity, God hasn't really blessed me, and I face a bow when I move with the crowd. I raise my hands so I follow the sound. Even when I get let down, at least I know I'm looking up at a crown. And when I drink to last, and I drink till I'm even kicking my own ass. And I place here in this time in this place, life seems to be picking up pace, a series of ups and downs with some beauty to taste. Yeah, life is short, what better way to live than love and enjoying the chase? But it's a part of the plan, pick up pieces and create some art. Yeah, we see with the brain, with the body, but vibing and feeling fucking naughty. If nothing is ever taught me, singing is verbal calligraphy. One thing is I'ma notice my family tree. Yeah, just keep growing in beauty and social liturgy, but God has really blessed me. I face, I bow, I move the crowd, I raise my hand so high. I follow the sound even when I get let down. I know I'm looking up at a crowd, and when I drink to last. I drink till I'm kicking my own ass. I'm placed here in this time, in this place. Life seems to be really picking up the pace. I am really having the time of my life. Once I've seen progress and growth, that's what I'm striving for. I wouldn't be here without a little help, of course. And damn, I'm feeling myself, but I'ma just let karma take its course. I don't fuck with love if it's forced. Looking up, and that's where I'm taking us towards. It's all love, and here's to all the support. Life seems to picking up pace. When I'm facing, I bow, I move with the crowd, and I raise my hand so high. I follow the sound, even when I get let down. At least I know I'm looking up at a crown. Just follow the sound.